Unfortunately, the data show that somewhat less than half of Americans accept evolution. Anti-evolutionism in the United States has been depressingly consistent since the 1980s. These are the data from the Gallup organization. You know, as the famous celebrity statistician Marge Rivera has said, it's the wording of the question, stupid. If you mention God, if you mention humans, you get a much lower percentage of people accepting evolution. Unfortunately, Gallup does both, so you know these numbers are, again, there are nuances of distinction here, but here are the Gallup data, which are the most familiar, and they have been very consistent. The top line is the idea that humans are specially created, and this is the mid to high 40%. The middle line is the idea that humans evolved, but this evolution was guided by God. This again is the mid to 40, high 30%, 40%. The bottom line is the idea that humans evolved, but God was not involved. Counting all of the evolutionists, it's slightly under half. But again, as I say, how you ask the question makes a big difference.